Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. Once again, I'm taking a walk. I got my Guard Pro camera in my bag here. I want to install into the bush. We are the 22nd of March today, and welcome to my channel. Now I can, there's less snow, but now we're expecting 5 centimeters. And because I say there is less snow, I can now at least get to walk into my field, my bush line, and I'm anxious to get my camera installed. I already have 2 of them there installed. I installed one at the beginning of March, and I installed one last week, and now I'm going to install a 3rd one. So I'm hoping to catch some big game. On my other Guard Pro camera, I've got a coyote. So that's why I installed another camera last week in the same area, and I'm hoping to get some other big game. So come walk with me, please. I have to say, nature is beautiful. There are a bunch of geese in the front of my home at the river on the other side of the road, and I do film them a lot. I do find it beautiful, snowing, the snow on the branches of the trees. It's a beautiful season, but I'm anxious now. Spring is here, but winter is like a cold. It does not want to go away. It lingers. But eventually we'll get the nice weather, and I'm anxious. Something has crossed over, and it's pretty recent, but obviously I do not know what it is. Just come across another track. I don't know when the snow started, but I'm happy to see that there is movement around. Oh, my bush is there. It's beautiful. Eventually I'll get walking in there. But with the snow on the ground, you don't really see where you're walking, and sometimes I fall into a tractor trail hole, and like the foot goes down about 6 inches, so I'm just trying to be careful. So I'm going to install my camera around here somewhere. So I'm going to install it here, but there is no movement in this area, the bush, for the moment. Hopefully there will be. And my son's watches over there. The deer do generally pass here, but we'll see. Could be a question of time. My camera is now set up. The field is there. So if there's any activity, generally the deer come from there, and I'll wait and see what goes on. Now I'm on my way back home. I believe the winds are picking up. So I'm happy to be almost home. Still being careful where I'm walking, following my tracks. Why do I say following my tracks? It's because the ground is level. As I said earlier, there are clumps like there. There's places where your foot goes down a bit. And I definitely don't want to sprain an ankle. Well, I am back home. I can barely see with my glasses. That's better. Found my parents there full of snow. So obviously I have to go and get changed. And I'm gonna warm up by the wood stove. So I'd like to thank you all for watching my video. Until next time, you keep warm, keep safe, have a lovely day. Bye bye.